Hello, it's Anthony again from Badge-A-Minit for New South Wales. Today we're going to unpack and assemble the T3 badge maker and show you how to get going on it. Okay, we're going to unpack the T3 badge machine. They come initially packed like this, and you'll need to just do some minor assembly. And I'll show you how to do that now. So the first thing we do is we open up our die set. This one's a 58mm. Yours could be, you just cut the tape, any size, whatever size die that come in the packaging. So we just open that up, and we have our 3 dies inside. So we'll take those out of the packaging first. That's our upper die, that gets fitted to the frame first. And we have our 2 lower dies, A and B. That's the A die. This is the B die. Just remove any foam packaging from the dies, and you get your C gaskets in the little plastic bag. So also packed in are 2 Allen keys. These are used for maintenance on your machine. And so put those in a special place so you can find them. Okay, your machine comes wrapped in plastic. When you first get it, be careful, the handle does pop up when the plastic's removed. So we're going to just remove the plastic from the machine. I'm going to take it off. I'm going to unwind it, but you can cut it off if you want to. At this point, just be careful, the handle will start to come up, and just bring that back out, raise it up, and finish removing the plastic. That's about the hardest thing you have to do, it looks like. So, now you've got your base frame. You take your upper die, and it has some pins on there. They face forward towards you, facing you, and they face this center pin here. We put it up from underneath. There's a hole there, and the pins line up, and it's magnetic. Push it up and it will lock in place, and this should drop down like that. That's normal. Then you have your 2 bottom dies. The A die first points towards the A, points towards that. It's magnetically locked, and it just fits in so that this pin is facing this hole. There's a bit of foam in there, let's get that out. Okay, so your A faces the A, pin to the centre post. We spin the base to the back. B faces B, pin to the post. The machine's assembled, and it can stay like this unless you need to change from one die to another. It stays assembled. If you do have other dies, it's a good idea to hang on to your foam packaging and put your dies away if you're changing from one die to another, so that you don't lose them and they're protected. Your Allen keys are used to tighten any of the Allen key points in the machine as required, so keep them in a safe place. Okay, that's the end of part 1. Now that your machine's assembled, you need to go to video 2 on how to make a badge.